Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can update your form CMSs so you're able to delete your objects as well as edit them and create new ones on the fly right from your web page. So this is going to be working from the forms I made in the last couple videos, the create and the edit forms, so I can give some links in the description for some context if you need it. But anyway, to be able to delete forms, we really don't have to do too much, or delete objects, sorry, we don't have to do too much more. We can work right from our edit view. So up here, we're getting a post request from the form, which we want, and then this is checking if we have book save in the data. So in this case, we don't want to check if it's book save, but we want to see if it's book delete. Now, once we make sure that book delete is in the data, all we're going to do is take book.delete. It's pretty simple. And then we're just going to redirect back to the book list corresponding to that particular genre. So if we delete a fantasy book, we're going to redirect back to the list of fantasy books. So to do that, we're going to do a HTTP response. And this is going to use the return function in Django. Oops, sorry, not return. The reverse. So yeah, I'll have to import that. And that's going to be from the Django URLs. And the arguments, we're just going to pass in the namespace and the URL we want. So this is going to be book list. And then you just have to pass in the corgs as a dict. So genre is genre. That's all we need for that. So to add the delete functionality, it's just these 3 lines there. And now the only other thing is we have to upgrade our form to be able to handle that. So I'm going to go over to our book form, and we only want the delete button to display if we already have that form in the database. Because we're using the form for both the create and the edit functions, we can only show the delete button when we're editing a model, not just creating a new one. So to do that, we're going to do an if statement. So we're going to say if form.instance.pk. So it's saying form.instance.pk is just saying if this instance has a pk, meaning is there an object that exists. And if there is an object that exists, i.e. we're editing one, we're going to do an input, submit, value is going to be delete, name is book delete. So notice this is the data that we're passing in to our view to check if we want to save or delete the model. And then on click, it's going to return a confirm that says, are you sure you want to delete this book? As an example. And I think that, got to end if, and we can just indent, oops. And that should be it. So I'm gonna go back here. So I can go to a book, I can edit the book, and then now there's, I spelled delete wrong, but there's a delete button there. So if I click delete, this is the confirm call we said there. Are you sure you want to delete this book? Hit OK, and now it's gone. It's really as simple as that. One improvement we can make is that instead of just saying this book, we can add its name in there. So we'd say delete book.title. Just the only thing with this is that in our view before, when we loaded the form, we didn't pass the book context in, so we just have to do that as well. So let's give that a shot. Let it refresh. Say Lord of the Rings, edit book, delete. It says, are you sure you want to delete the Lord of the Rings? So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.